and he would perhaps still be in prison today, except there was a woman in the Bahamas, an attorney who was a fighter who would not let things go. At the heart of the legal turnaround was Bahamian lawyer Krysta Mason-Smith.
They continuously said he was well. However, when he went and was checked by the medical department, there were obvious injuries. Where did they come from?
I'm pleased to say that Krysta Mason-Smith is my guest today on Stuck. This conversation is part of a series on the fight against wrongful convictions across the Caribbean. In each country, we're looking not just at how things go wrong, but also at how, when individuals take the time to stand up, to look deeper, to go further, it can lead to cultural shifts and transformation. Here's my conversation with Krysta Mason-Smith.
I'm Krysta Mason-Smith. I am now managing partner at Muriel Ducille & Co., which I would like to say is one of the leading law firms in the Commonwealth of the Bahamas. I do criminal defense work, but recently I have also shifted my sales and do civil litigation as well.